are you doing today?
I'm going to start modifying this exhaust.
Yup.
And I'm thinking we're going to start by cutting it here. Yeah, we'll cut it off here.
Yep.
And then we're going to have a look at that muffler up there. We'll see how we go.
David's go. What is that called? Is it just
reciprocating saw?
Yeah, so we're gonna use that today to cut off the pipes and see how it goes. Alright, ready?
Yep.
One. Ba-bam. Good.
Two.
Yep.
Okay.
Right, so
Why don't we leave it there for now?
do you want to test sounds?
Yeah.
I fucking love it.
Five minutes later.
What's the plan next?
Plan is going to be replace this muffler with some sort of chuckle.
Yep.
Delete that muffler, and then from here we replace all of that with the 3-inch.
Exciting.
That's the plan anyway.
Reducer, I think. Yeah. And just a couple. Yeah, I think that's it.
The gaskets or something?
Alright, day 2.
Day 2. What I'm thinking is we've got this existing flange, which
Yep.
we'll probably use.
Yep.
And then we've got this transition that we've got to make through here. And we want to maintain this
That carb.
that curve position.
Right.
The other thing we need to do is pick up these rubber hangers, because they're going to hang like that.
Yeah. Well, we don't need it, do we? Like if you put in like pipes here.
There'll be one hanging at the back,
Yeah.
and then there's one here.
We want to make sure it's safe.
Yeah. From here around and then straight. So we cut it there
Yeah.
and then have a straight piece
Oh, we put together. Yeah.
there.
Oh yeah, that's a great idea. That's almost perfect.
When we put this on, we could perhaps use this to mount this guy on here, so then we can move it around and get it in the right spot. Roughly, we cut that there,
Yep.
and then we go to there, pretty much cut that there,
Yep.
cut that there. That's going to work quite well. This is I'm gonna go 410.
$70. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Look, this is a tough one. This is how it looks.
So my idea is somehow
Also, we're not using this one.
I don't think so. Well, unless, well, actually,
Because it's gonna be better if we weld it.
just bolt it on there.
Yeah.
That's gonna work out pretty well.
Yeah, like literally in the middle.
Oh shit, sorry, and drill those holes. Bolt this on and see if it works.
Looks good.
Grab that big pipe.
All right, let's hear the sound.
We'll have to go to our 2-inch anyway, because this is one of 7/8 or something. Yeah, so that's gonna. I can't get there. Somewhere like that, I reckon.
Yeah, so it's definitely might have to cut a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Sorry, have
Short.
to cut short. But yeah,
Great.
looking good.
Old school. Look at that. It's gonna go like that, isn't it? Like that. I mean, you can tell me if you want to use another bit of. Or if we tack it on, we can always make it longer. Because we can weld along there as well.
You can try that.
Just gotta get my. So what I'm thinking is,
Yeah.
we want to go up from here.
Yeah.
So, out there.
Yeah.
And then if I hold that there and that there, how does that look?
Look at that. So we're gonna weld that.